Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate table views for SwiftUI application in native iOS. So this is one of the table view which I am displaying. So here you can see I have the rows of heading and then the actual data. To do this, just created a SwiftUI application, and here you can see I have created this users with this user. So here you can see I have created this user struct, ID, name and score, and that's what I'm using it over here. And here I have just using this table of users, then I'm creating a table column of name. Here, given that this name is in string format, you can directly pass it like this, but for score, given that it was not in string format, you will have to use something like this. So yeah, pretty simple, right? Next I want to show you guys few examples. So this was one of them. Comment this out and I'll use this one. I'll rerun my application. So this is the second one for table view. Okay, let's see what exactly is different, because even I am not able to recollect. So here I have created the same thing. Okay, so here yeah, we have the selection thing. Okay, sorry, I'll quit this. So here if you see, this is my output, right? I can select any one of this. So yeah, that's what this is all about, this particular table view. So I have just created this selection of ID. I have this table column of name, table column of score. Here we just pass this selection to our table. That's it. Okay, next the third content view which I want to show you guys. Just rerun this application, and here we are doing the sort by the user's name. So if I show you at the top, you will see this arrow for name. If I click on it again, here you can see it automatically sorts it for me alphabetically. Click on it again, it sorts it in descending order. So hopefully you got the point. So basically the same thing, I have this users, then the sort order and the selection as well, and here we pass the sort order inside our table, and this is our table column of name, table column of score, and here we pass this particular text, and on change we pass again the sort order, and here we just do users dot sort by our new state. That's it. Okay, next I will show the fourth content view as well. I will just rerun this application, and for fourth content view, okay, so basically what I am doing over here is, as you can see, this is the name as well as the score, and if you see, these are our users like Taylor Swift, Justin Bieber and Adele Adkins. But apart from that, if I want to insert some data, I can do that as well. So the first and the last which you see, that have been inserted by me. So if you see over here, these are our users, the sort order and selection, same thing. This is our table, this is our table column for score. Okay, and then these are the rows. So here you can see I'm just appending table row as the first one for each users. These are all the users, and then I am appending some other user as last as well, and this is the for sorting. Okay, next is the fifth content view. So this, okay, so this is for like having this collapsible and expandable item inside our table view as well. So here you can see if I expand this, I'm able to see what is inside of that as well. I can collapse it as well. So basically if I show you my fifth content view, here as you can see, I have created another struct which has an ID, name, city, birth date and children. And here you can see for this I have created few people. All right, and here you can see for Johnny it has children of Betsy and Kate, but other person don't have any children. That's why for Johnny we were able to see this expandable as well as collapsible icon. And here you can see for family I have just created this Johnny and Tim. Okay, and book expanded false by default. Then I have created this table of name, passing the name, city, passing the city, birth date. We are formatting the birth date in this particular format. Then for rows we just for each, and if the children is empty, then just display the table row of member, else we display disclosure table row, and we just pass the for each loop to it, member dot children. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can achieve that. Next is this one. I will just run this as well, and here you can see I have created this users created. So here I am just hiding the table column header. So if you see, this is the output. I don't have any headers of name and age, name and score, sorry. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.